Gilgondarin. Silver Home on the Water has beds and food. What's your pleasure? The watchman looks like he may have been a sailor. No one knows where he came from, or why he looks so sad. I don't like talking about the dead like they're some kind of tourist attraction, but that spirit has been making his ghostly journey for years now. We've learned to just accept that he's there. Every night, short as clockwork, he appears at Bunwatch Camp at 8 on the shore of Nibbin Bay. He's never harmed anyone, but most people give him a wide berth. You seem curious enough, so I'll be glad to pinpoint where he appears on your map. Yeah, Ursani's husband, Alaron, is missing. Poor thing. I've seen her crying at the chapel. I hope someone can help her. I would gladly let you invest in my shop. The extra coin will allow me to purchase more goods from adventurers such as yourself. Have you looked around? Breville is Tamriel's cloaca. Silverhome is the only decent place in town. Don't know why I stay here. Thank you. Come again. Take care. I've fought mud crabs more fearsome than you!
I was once the man known as Grantham Blakely. Look for me in the mouth of the panther. Please, release me.
Gilgondarin. Silver home on the water has beds and food. What's your pleasure? Sure, I know what that is. Any sailor worth his weight in sea salt could tell you. The mouth of the Panther is what they call the delta where the Panther River meets Nibbin Bay. It got its name from the pointed rocks that jut out of the water there. Sort of look like teeth. Mouth, panther, teeth, get it? Ships are always careful to stay away from it, especially when it's foggy on the bay. The rocks would tear right through a ship's hull like parchment. Be glad to. Here, let me have your map, and I'll mark the spot for you. Never heard the name Grantham Blakely before. Means nothing to me, sorry. Take care.
I knew one day someone with unyielding virtue would heed my words and speed my release. You risk much to perform such a selfless act. This noble deed will not go unrewarded. Look upon the ground in this prison. There you will find a map to my gratitude. I thank you with all my heart. Farewell.